First, we'll open the glove box. Now on the corner right side, you would notice there is that damper that needs to be pulled out. Just grab the damper and then slightly pull it outwards. There it is, it's taken out. Now slightly push it a little inside. Just like that, this much seems fine. Towards the glove box on the right and left, there are two tabs. What we'll have to do is press that tab and then pull out the glove box. First tab is pulled out, similar we'll do for the other tab. Just like that, you would notice the glove box is pulled down and right there is a location for cabin air filter. What we'll do is we'll hold on to this cover from here and then push that tab downwards. There you would notice one tab is pulled out. Similar way, we'll take out the second tab. Second one is also out, and then we pull out the third tab. There we got all the tabs pulled out. Now we'll grab the cover, lift it upside and then completely take it out. Just like that, the cover is pulled out and right there is our cabin air filter. We'll grab the filter and then slide it outwards. That is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter has some 1000 more kilometers left, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that there's an arrow sign at the front right there. That arrow sign should be at the front pointing downwards while installing the filter back. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cabin air filter back where we took it out from. We make sure the filter is slided all the way in, just like that. Push it all the way down. One more time, making sure it is all the way down. Once the filter is all the way in, now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Make sure you are punching the bottom three tabs first, which are right there. We'll go ahead and slide in the bottom tabs first. Once bottom tabs are in, then we will just press the top tabs one by one. There it is. With that, we got the cover completely in place. Now it's time to grab the glove box and then punch in these two tabs. One right here and the other one right there. Behind this tab right here and the other tab right there. So we'll go ahead and gently lift up the glove box. There it is. Both of those tabs are completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this damper. First, we'll just slide it down. This much seems fine. We'll place it in that position. Then we press the damper until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, that damper is completely in position. Now we close the glove box, and with that we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.